Dear all, first and foremost, allow me to offer my apology for not being with you today. I wish I could, believe me, but I think that there will be further opportunity for me to come to India and to talk before you. You're about to attend, and for some of you to speak, at the 3rd International Conference on Law and Technology organized by the School of Law at the Northcap University in India in collaboration with the Center for Cyber Laws of the National Law University in Delhi and the Faculty of Law at the UDF Centro Universitario in Brazil. The topic of this conference is of utmost importance. You certainly know that. New technologies have raised, and especially artificial intelligence or generative artificial intelligence system, with lots of questions, with lots of potential impacts, both positive and negative impacts. Obviously, with all those impacts, the question of how to govern that, how to frame all those technologies to avoid the adverse impacts and to promote the beneficial ones has come to the mind of many people. And I'm sure that during this conference, lots of insights will be provided and food for thought will be offered to all the attendees. You will attend once again several conferences, several talks given by renowned and esteemed scholars and thinkers all around the world. And I think that it is for us and for you a very important opportunity to understand what is really at stake with those technologies. As the head of studies of the Human Technology Foundation and foremost as an AI ethicist, I would recommend you to think even beyond the laws when we're talking about the legal framework or the normative framework of artificial intelligence or technologies. It is always important to think about ethics for many reasons. First and foremost, because the laws is sometimes weak, sometimes superficial, sometimes even inexistent. So it is always necessary to think about ethics. It is also important to think about ethics because ethics is really rooted into a very specific cultural setting. The cultural setting of India is not the cultural setting of my country, France, which is not the cultural setting of Brazil. So it is always important to think about the very origin and the reason of the way people are thinking in a specific ethical way. I will not take too much time. I just wish you a pleasant conference, and I'm sure that it will be insightful. I think that you will have, and I hope that you will have, fruitful debates. I want to thank the organizer for organizing this specific conference and to be able to offer you this really qualitative possibility to understand what is at stake when we're talking about law and technology. I wish you a really, really great conference.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's with great pleasure and excitement that I welcome you all to the long-awaited, prestigious 3rd edition of the International Conference on Law and Technology, hosted by the School of Law of the Northcap University, Gurugram, in collaboration with the Center for Cyber Laws at the National Law University, Delhi, and the Faculty of Law at UDF Centro Universitario in Brazil. As we gather here today, we embark on a journey of exploration and discovery at the intersection of law and technology, two dynamic fields shaping the modern world right before our very eyes. This conference serves as a platform for scholars, practitioners, students, lawyers, and enthusiasts from all around the globe to exchange ideas and insights and foster collaboration that will propel us forward in this ever-evolving landscape. Throughout the next few days, delve into diverse topics ranging from human rights law to cyber law and intellectual property law, with a particular focus on the ethical implication of emerging technologies. Our aim is not only to deepen our understanding of these complex issues, but also to chart a course towards a more just and technologically empowered society. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed collaborators, sponsors, speakers, and participants for their invaluable contribution towards making this event possible. Together, we are poised to embark on a transformative journey of learning and discovery. I encourage you all to engage actively in all the sessions, network with fellow participants, and seize the opportunity to forge lasting connections that will enrich both your personal and professional endeavors.
Dear organizers of this wonderful event, respected authors and presenters, respected guests. I'm Assistant Professor Ivona Shushak Lozanovska, and I come from the Faculty of Law at the University of Bitola, Republic of North Macedonia. Please, first of all, allow me on my own behalf and on the behalf of the institution that I represent to congratulate you on the third conference of this type with more than 100 participants. During these 2 days, I'm sure that extremely good topics will be presented and debated, and one of them will be the topic that I will have the honor to elaborate, which concerns the rights to privacy and the protection of personal data of children online. I greet you once again, and I expect you on April the 6th at 3:30 p.m. your time. All the best.
Hello, Northcap University School of Law. My name is Jordan Fletcher, and I'm a lawyer in private practice in New York City. I'd like to thank you for having me be a part of your International Conference on Law and Technology. It's a very important topic. There's a lot to talk about, and I'm excited and honored to be able to contribute today. In my firm, I focus on intellectual property and commercial law, both transactional and litigation, and I work primarily on behalf of technology, media, and creative clients. I'm also a member of the New York City Bar Association's Committee on Copyright and Literary Property and its Subcommittee on Artificial Intelligence. I'm thrilled to be able to join you today and share a little bit about what's going on in the United States in this space.